Hey guys, Ty from Garage 88 here, back with another video introducing our latest product, the G88 Tacoma rear bed stiffener. This is good for all Tacoma beds from 2005 up to 2023. This is a full stainless steel construction, so you can guarantee that there is no rust. Reasons why you want to be installing this on your bed is because the bed on these Tacomas are a composite bed. So when you are off-roading, if you got a tent on the back, there is flexing of the bed, so you want to add these to stiffen up the bed and reduce the chance of cracking. Additionally, this offers additional tie down points so you can secure your load without any worry. In this video, we're going to go over what's included in the kit, also the tools required, as well as the installation process of the G88 Tacoma rear bed stiffener. So without further ado, let's get right to it. So what's included in the box is gonna be your black oxide hardware, as well as a left and a right bed stiffener. Basic tools you're gonna need for this install is a 6mm hex wrench. You're going to need a 17mm combination wrench, a T40 torx, as well as a T55 torx. Those are just for the screws that we will be reusing that are on the bed already, as well as a drill and a set of drill bits. And to remove the tail light, you're going to need a 10mm. So the hardest part of this entire install is removing the tail light. Whatever I'm going to do on one side, you're going to copy on the other. So to remove the tail light, you're going to remove 1, 2, 3 10mm bolts. With those 3 removed, we're going to pull out the tail light straight back. You're going to remove the 3 harnesses. After taking off the taillight, we're going to remove the 2 bolts, one with the D-ring and this big silver one here. Larger one is a T55. The smaller one here is a T40. Mock up the bed stiffener and put in the original hardware back in. Just snug it up. We will be tightening it down at the last step. Once you have the 2 fasteners secured, you're going to grab your drill as well as your 3/8 drill bit and use the pre-existing holes as a guide and start drilling through. You don't have to worry about nicking a little bit of the hole because it is stainless. It's not going to rust, as well as it's going to be on the inside. You're not going to see it. Last one. And that's it. So with the included hardware, you're going to want to have a bolt, a washer, then the bed stiffener. You're going to have your bed between here, the washer on the back, as well as the nut. So this is going to be a 17mm on this one and a 6mm hex on this one. So the holes might be a little bit tight. You're going to just use your hex key and thread it in just to help it line up a little bit easier. Let's go on the other side and put the washer and nut on. So on the back side, you're going to get your nut and your washer. You're going to thread it on by hand. Best part is, you don't even need to cut the mat. So that concludes the overview and installation of our bed stiffener. We hope you found this video useful. As a special thank you for making it to the end of the video, I'm offering a special discount code YouTube8. That is 8% off any product on the website, so check it out, garage88.ca, and I'll see you on the next one.